If you want to download apps on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case you want to open the Play Store. So this is this app that we have on the home screen by default, but if you don't have it here anymore, then you can also go to the app drawer, for example, and you should be able to find it somewhere over here. So once you open the Play Store, you can start by making sure that apps is selected over here on the left side, and you can find some example apps that you can download mostly for free, also games as well. So you can choose any of these apps that you wish to install, and then we have the install button. You can also go to search on the left side, and if you scroll down, we have different categories that we can go through. So let's say if I choose photography, then I should be able to find some apps that are somewhat related to that category. And of course, you can use that to find your app. But also, if you know the name of the app that you're looking for, then of course we can use this search bar at the top, and then you can write the name of the app that you wish to install. So let's say I'm gonna type Instagram. You can also use these suggestions, of course, in order to quickly search for something. Once you find the app, it might be already selected for you, so you can just tap on install button over here. If not, then of course you can tap on the app by yourself. And once you install the app, you can immediately open it by using the open button that will be displayed over here in the Play Store once the app is installed. Or you can go, let's say, to the app drawer to find it over there. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.